We're draining the oil out of this wonderful thing.
Into a green antifreeze.
Well, it kind of looks black now. Anybody who wants pre-used antifreeze, there's some for sale here.
And oil. 1030. 10W30.
Oh,
Mighty Black.
That's good oil. Yeah, we're gonna pull it out of this thing, so now we have a gaping hole. So now we have to punch holes through the floor, which probably wouldn't be that hard. And then we could go Fred Flintstone style and get millions of gallons to a mile or whatever, but we have to go through a lot of food and water. Get back to you when something amazing happens. He's running away on this, but he's supposed to show us what a main bearing looks like.
How about 351 Windsor?
Well, I don't know what it is, but yeah. Woo! If it ever focuses. Well, it's a piece of junk anyways, so.
Need to watch out.
Yeah. Look at the exhaust. You see nothing, because it's
exhaust.
Yeah.
Actually, they're headers. He doesn't have the proper terms for it.
Oh. How bad is this one locked?
It's grooved.
It's grooved in because it's ball worn. Yeah. Yeah. See, there's where your little oil shoots and goes. Psh. So you can lubricate it.
And then somehow I gotta pull the crank up and get the other ones.
Is this your block here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have two?
No, this is like caps.
No, it's on that side too.
Oh, hey, it's nice. Actually, that one's not bad.
Oh, looks like a.
So the back rear engine seal's gone. Oh, that's a specialized one. That's main bearing.
Yeah, well, look, it's in the middle. Wouldn't that make sense? No? Yes?
Maybe so.
Yes, no, maybe so. What's it called?
Cylinder 2. Actually,
we're just gonna go bearing 2. But cylinder 2. Because there's. I think you're thinking like a straight 6 or something.
So, yeah. And now we got one off already.
Yeah. And yeah, that's a good old time and chain. It's not broken in half, so it should be good for another 80 million miles.
Watch out, John.
Watch out, he's gonna kill you for rent. This is how to take out your spark plug. You find a random size.
It's 5/8.
Oh,
well, you need to find the right size for you guys, this vehicle motors. But
it's kind of funny, a lot of things on this motor is 5/8.
Everything pretty much on this motor is 5/8.
So I was having good luck guessing 5/8. Yeah. Might get this out someday. This Sunday.
Someday.
Does that one look bad or what?
Yeah, it's black.
See? That's some good spark plug there. That means it was running slightly rich. But it's better to run a little bit rich than lean, because then you blow up your motor. Well, We'll get back to you when something else happens. There we go. We got another one out. Hurry up! You said this supposed to take 3 days. We're already like a week into this.
More than a week. Yeah, you're right, Dylan. It's not coming out.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Seriously. No, I'm serious. It's not actually coming out. Oh shit. Maybe.
Sorry for the shanty quality. I'm too broke to afford a $800 camera.
What? I can't see.
Oh, you want to see?
No, it's not.
So my theories are sometimes right. Hey, you're subtracting your work. Maybe you should pry it up also in the middle.
Yeah, but
You need 2 people with 5 bars. That is worse. Well, guys, we never said we were professionals. That did not work. You get that one out? See, guys, this is how you do it. Bam, ba-bam.
Oh, that one comes out.
I told you the main bearing was going to be fun. Because that one has a lot more surface area, so there's more friction, so then it's harder. Well, this is going to be like an 8-hour long movie.
oh shoot. Oh.
There you go. Getting somewhere now.
No, and I'll actually pry down on this. Just make sure it's under there good.
The professional. Oh. You almost got her. There you go. Another bearing successfully taken out. Oh, watch him walk the 8 miles there and the 8 miles back. Ah, you're thinking about.
Now, middle one.
Now, what are we supposed to learn from this, people?
You want to pry down?
Yeah, because you have to lift the middle up.
Or, yeah.
Yeah. Because all you're doing is making it harder on this side then. If you do it on this side, it'll just get worse on that side if you do this. Oh, you just kind of did something. It's not gonna work.
Here, hold this like that. Make sure it doesn't fly up out your face.
This is... Gonna scratch it.
Just go.
Are you gonna attempt it on this side now, or what?
No, you can't. Okay. Okay, see?
See, you need to lift up both ends. You know what I mean? No?
Yeah, see now. This.
And you put the liquid oil in there. Woo! Well, I'll only get back to you when something happens.
Baby, baby, baby.